Hello, in front of me I've got Amazon Luna controller. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with smartphone. In the beginning, on your controller, press and hold Action and B buttons to enter pairing mode. Now, on your smartphone, go to Bluetooth settings. Select Luna gamepad from the list. Pair, and it's connected. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.